So today I'll make some small trip. Actually, not small trip.
It
It's
was
a
a
big trip.
very long tour actually.
Yeah, with my bro. There's the Andreas, this is the general manager of Lombok Hotel. So today is really awesome with Lombok Adventure Club as well, and WISAIR, Go Trans. It's awesome. So what do you want to say, Andreas?
I just want to say it was a great experience. Don't you agree? I mean, it was awesome people, awesome pilots, a great flight, and the weather was perfect. I think we were also lucky
Yes,
with the weather. Yeah.
exactly.
So awesome view, the Gili Islands, the south of Lombok, Mandalika Circuit. It's all you can dream of actually if you visit Lombok.
Okay, so you can say the whole of Lombok you can see. Okay.
Yeah.
Whole of Lombok. It's like Gili Island, Mandalika Circuit, some part of Lombok. Not some part, but whole of Lombok Island.
We went through the whole island basically.
Yeah. Okay, guys, thank you very much for today. Andreas,
Try it.
Lombok Adventure Club, Go Trans, WISAIR,